Most business owners treat meta ads like it's a black box. You put money in, you pray to the algorithm gods, and you hope something will come out eventually. And if it doesn't, you burn through thousands of dollars trying to figure out images, headlines, offers, and blindly guessing what the market actually wants. But what if I have told you the testing has already been done? What if I have told you your biggest competitor, yes, that one guy who's currently dominating your niche, has already burned through the budget and figured out what works exactly? They have done the A/B testing, they have burned through the budget, and they left the answers out in the open for anyone to see. But the 99% of the people don't know where to look. And that actually 1% who does know where to look doesn't know what they are looking at. Today, I'm not just showing you a free tool. I'm teaching you a competitive intelligence framework called the SPIDE method. We are going to audit your competition, reverse engineer their funnels, and build a strategy that actually works after just a couple of days, not after day 30. In case you're new here, I'm Peter Fisabolcs and I run ads and leads. And whenever we take on a new client, whether it's a local dentist or a e-commerce giant, we never start from zero. We always start from reconnaissance. See, marketing isn't about being creative in a vacuum. It's about pattern recognition. If 5 successful brands in your niche are all using user-generated video content for their ads with a specific headline and specific hook, there is a reason. They aren't guessing, they are scaling. We are going to use the Meta Ad Library. It's a transparency tool created by Meta that inadvertently became the greatest weapon in the hands of a marketer. But most people use it wrong. They only look at the pictures. Today I'm going to teach you exactly how to read the data behind those pictures. First, head to facebook.com/ads/library. And here we're gonna select all ads. If you leave it on issues and politics, you will see nothing. Now, most people just type in their competitor's name. That's fine, but here's a pro tip. If you are in the niche where you don't know the big competitors yet, use keyword searching. Let's say you are looking for red light therapy devices. Then you're gonna type in red light therapy in quotes. Now you're gonna see everyone running ads with these keywords. You're going to see hundreds of ads. Don't get overwhelmed. What we are looking for are two things: volume and consistency. Volume, if a brand has 50 plus active ads, they are spending real money. And consistency, are they running the same style of ads over and over? And this is your first filter. We aren't looking for pretty ads. What we are looking for are heavy hitters. And here's where the amateur stops and the pros begin. Now, we need to filter for longevity. Scroll past the ads that started yesterday, those are just tests. The advertiser doesn't even know if they work yet. You are looking for an ad that has been running for at least 3 months or longer. Think about the logic here. No business owner, and I don't care how rich they are, no business owner keeps an ad running for 90 days if it's burning through their budget. If it's been live for 90 days or 180 days even, it is for a reason, because it's profitable. And here's an advanced tip, the dynamic check. Look at the ad details. You see a note that says multiple versions. That means that they are using Meta's dynamic creative. They gave Meta 5 headlines and 5 images, and the algorithm is automatically choosing the best combinations. So if you see a dynamic ad running for 6 months or even more, you know you have found a super winner. This is a core pillar of their business. Now we're gonna perform an autopsy. We need to understand why this ad is winning. And I look at 3 specific things. The first one is platform. Look at the icons at the top of the ad card. Is it running on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, or even Messenger? If I see a competitor scaling heavily on Instagram stories, that tells me I shouldn't waste my budget on Facebook desktop feed. They have already proven where the audience is. The second one is the hook structure. Listen to the first 3 seconds of the video or just read the first sentence of the copy. Are they calling out a pain point? Are they calling out a persona? Or even a benefit? And write this down, this is your angle. And the third one is the format. Is it a polished studio video or is it a selfie style iPhone footage? In 2026, Ugly ads often outperforms pretty ads. If your competitor is scaling with an iPhone video, you don't need to hire a film crew. You just need to pick up your phone. You need to understand the psychology behind this. We have been trained for over 20 years to ignore commercials. If your brain sees a perfect lighting, a cinematic camera angle, and a fake smile, it subconsciously signals to your brain it's an advertisement. And your thumb auto-scrolls before you even realize it. It's a reflex. But when you see a shaky camera, bad lighting, and a raw, authentic human face, your brain thinks it's content, it's friend, and it lowers its guard. The split-second hesitation when your brain trying to figure it out if it's an actual genuine piece of content or an advertisement. This is all we need to hook them in. So stop trying to look like a TV commercial and start trying to look like a genuine piece of content. The ad is only half of the battle. The ad buys the click. The landing page is what buys the actual customer. You must click the Learn More or Shop Now button and check for congruency. Does the headline on the landing page matches the headline in the ad? And what's the offer? Is it a discount? Is it a webinar? Is it a free consultation? In our example, it's a discount. And here's a pro move. Actually sign up. Actually give them your email and see what they send you. This is called funnel hacking. We are walking the path that an actual customer walks, and we see where the friction is removed. We aren't stealing their design. We are just simply analyzing their user experience flow. So what do you do with this? You build a swipe file. You take screenshots of winning ads and you copy the links of the winning landing pages. Organize them by hook, offer, and creative type. Now, the next time you will sit down to create ads, you aren't just starting from a blank page. You are starting with a proven framework. You implement the pain points to your story. You adopt the iPhone-style camera to your product. And this removes risk and buys you time. Now, this research phase takes time. It takes me and my team usually 10 to 15 hours to fully map out a new client's competitive landscape. And if you want to skip that manual labor and you just want the results, or you want us to build this strategy map for you and make the ads based on data and not guesses, you can click the link in the description, book a call with us, and see what this strategy map is capable of doing. Don't guess, go spy, implement, then win. And in no time you will be that one business everyone is trying to copy.